Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a small get ready with me / tutorial, just in case you guys want to follow. And I hope you guys like it. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my face. I'm going to prime my eyelids now. Again, tapping motions, do not stretch, especially this area. This whole eye area is very sensitive. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Oh, wrong one, guys. Wrong one. I got eyeliner. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I need my coffee. Go ahead and get my Fenty Beauty. I'm using the Fenty palette and I'm going to be getting a little bit of that brown and putting it with a windshield wiper motion on the outside of my eyelid, like in the crease area. This is going to be my transition shade, and I want it kind of soft today because I'm going to go in with other colors, so that's good enough for me. Again, just a little bit goes a long way. So now I'm going to go in with my Milani Gilded Gold palette, and I'm going to be using this 100p, which is right here, and using that same fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with that color and put some right in the same exact spot that I have put the other one. I'll be using the e.l.f. little palette, the dark kind of middle tone green. I'm going to start putting it here in the exact same spot that I put the other one. Going in with that glittery kind of green. So I'm just focusing here because I'm going to try and do something else right now. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the yellow shade and put it here. And I'm going to go in with a darker green. Smoking this out like so. Now I'm going to do a little bit at the bottom. The eyeliner that I had used for my review. This one had hurt my eye when I did the review, so let's see. Ooh, yeah, it's hurting. It's the brush. Glitter. Foundation. Concealer. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much again. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.